Bullish Revain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market experts accept FireUp could reach $0 2025. Bearish Revain market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Revain presentation. One of the main results of the crypto business development is the rise of a few useless ventures. Another is that crypto advancements and blockchain frameworks are creating at lightning speed. In this way, designers should stay informed concerning the most recent improvements inside the crypto space to guarantee that new ventures are viable with the predominant security requests and client taste in the crypto space. Nobody cruises all over today in a pony truck. Notwithstanding the above mentioned, the crypto business is exceptionally subject to palatable client experience and simple item communication. Could it not be fine in the event that there was a way for engineers to get client-driven data that proposes the predominant taste of the market, the modern innovation, and plans? Some Moscow specialists suspected as much, and they made Revain as a blockchain stage based on the Ethereum network that permits engineers admittance to precious data on the quality and execution of their items. Revain intends to guarantee that items mirror the predominant principles and taste of the market by outfitting designers with data through client survey. What is Revain? Revain is a computerized stage for ETH-based blockchain project surveys. It gives the stage to designers to get significant criticism in regards to the quality and activities of their undertakings, utilizing shrewd agreements to guarantee the validity of surveys. Revain is the principal online audit stage that depends on blockchain innovation. All surveys are put away permanently on the Ethereum blockchain, making them carefully designed. The blockchain's unchanging nature gives commentators the certainty that their considerations won't be erased or changed by anybody, including the venture creator. The Revain stage boosts clients to compose quality surveys by giving them compensations as tokens. Compensated audits are then put away on the blockchain, which makes them permanent. This implies organizations can believe the surveys on the stage, realizing they are certified and can't be changed. Revain's utilization of blockchain innovation additionally takes into account straightforwardness among organizations and commentators. Organizations can perceive the number of individuals that have looked into their item or administration and what rating they have gotten. Then again, commentators can perceive how organizations accept their criticism. This makes a commonly helpful connection among organizations and commentators, as the two players need to work on the nature of the items and administrations advertised. Revain current cost. Revain is presently worth $0. FireUp has moved 8.95% as of now with an exchanging volume of $387,256. Revain is presently positioned 357 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $56,346,123 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Revain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Revain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Revain Value Forecast 2023. Revain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The FireUp cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. FireUp is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Revain FireUp cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of FireUp will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the FireUp's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, FireUp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. FireUp may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. FireUp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Revain Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Revain effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados, the FireUp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FireUp will be green in 2026. The fire up is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Revain value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the fire up cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2027, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, fire up has a most extreme value worth of $0. Revain value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that fire up figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help fire up needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0. Revain value expectation 2029. While fire up is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2029. Revain value forecast 2030. By 2030, Revain will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Revain value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme fire up cost in 2031 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the Revain Group has major areas of strength for in computerized reasoning and large information, which they are using to construct a modern criticism framework. The stage is right now in beta, yet it has previously gotten momentum, with more than 1 million evaluations submitted. What is the Revain cost today? Today, Revain is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $56,346,123. Is Revain a wise speculation? Revain ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that fire up is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Revain at any point go? The typical cost of Revain might perhaps reach $0 a year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Revain might outperform $0. What amount will Revain be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of cryptographic money and Revain, a drawn-out interest in fire up could see the value ascend to $0 the following 5 years. What amount will Revain be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Revain today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of fire up might actually ascend to $0 the following 10 years. What will the Revain cost be in 2024? Revain cost is supposed to reach $0 2024. What will the Revain cost be